Have you heard about Nerlnet? Nerlnet is an open-source library for research of distributed machine learning algorithms that gives full insights into both edge devices that run neural network models and both network performance and statistics. Nerlnet is a cocktail of 3 different languages. Erlang implements the network and communication. C++ OpenNN library implements the neural network edge compute devices. Python manages Nerlnet and gathers information from it. How is this library different? Well, unlike other libraries, a JSON script defines a distributed neural network layout that is made up of edge compute devices, ECDs, sensors, and routers that connect all of these parts. Information is gathered for both neural network models and the communication network layer. How does it work? Well, Nerlnet has a simple Python API to manage experiments and collect the desired information. Moreover, it can be easily used through Jupyter Notebook. All such statistical insights are collected from the distributed machine learning network that Nerlnet executes in the form of messages, throughput, loss, predictions, and ECD performance. Nerlnet library is the ultimate tool for research and IoT deployment for distributed machine learning models and architectures. Search Nerlnet on GitHub today.